Hello and welcome back to Chef Ramy Kitchen. Today I bring small delicious recipe with me, the Miss Mussels. I mean mussels cooked with tomato and white wine. And it's so simple and such a delicious flavor. For that we need some white onion and parsley. Cut it small size and chop so nicely, fine chop. Really fine chop. That onion must go inside the mussels meat, and same goes to parsley as well as chop, very fine chop. Yes, some garlic and a white wine, dry white wine. It should be must good. So miss mussels is mussel you need to wash 3 or 4 times. Make it clear water and cold water. When it's come up the mussels, that means they are dead, that you cannot cook. So keep it in the side. The rest you wash 3 to 4 times. Put some extra virgin olive oil and add the garlic chop. The onions. After few seconds you fried, add the mussels. So little bit of mix up and add the dry white wine. After dry white wine, that mussels going to be open. Look at that. So now I'm going to cover for a few minutes. After open, all mussels are open. They should be open. If not open, that means that not good. So seasoning with salt, pepper, little bit of chili flakes. Yeah. And I'm going to stir and keep it on the side for a few seconds. Add that remaining sauce with tomato. Mix up. Then you can add all the things into the sauce. Some parsley. Check the taste is good. Once you mix it, your mussel is done. So have a great day and enjoy your other days. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you. See you next time. Chef Ramy Kitchen. This is me. Wow. Though delicious. Just simple and such delicious. So hope you like it. I finished everything. That's all I eat it about. Look at that. Wee.